How to add friends in Among Us. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Among Us application on your device. Make sure you are signed in using your Among Us account and not as guest mode. Now, in order to add a friend, tap on the friends icon or the friends option at the top of your screen in the main menu. You will then see the plus icon or add friend button or add friend via code option. Tap on your preferred option and further ask a friend for their Among Us friend code, which is usually found under their profile. Now, once you have their username or friend's code, type in the code or paste it in simply and then hit the send request option, and with this, the friend request will be sent. Ask a friend to accept the friend request, and once accepted, you will see them under your friend list with status like online or offline. So, this is how you can add friends in Among Us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.